How to add music tracks in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and make sure you are in the Edit workspace at the bottom of the screen. Next, locate the Media Pool panel, usually found in the top left corner, and import your music track by right-clicking inside the Media Pool and selecting Import Media. Then, browse and choose the music file you want to add. After importing, drag the music track from the Media Pool down to the timeline area below your video clips. Make sure to place it on an empty audio track so it doesn't overlap with any existing audio unless you want that effect. You can trim or extend the music clip by dragging its edges on the timeline to fit the length of your video. To adjust the volume, click on the audio clip, then go to the inspector panel on the top right and modify the volume slider as needed. If you want to fade the music in or out, select the audio clip, then hover near the start or end edge of the clip until you see a small handle appear. Drag this handle inward to create a smooth fade effect. Finally, play back your video to make sure the music fits well with the visuals and the other elements. If everything sounds good, save your project. And that's it. Now you know how to add music tracks in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.